name is Sheila, and together we'll be going through the Texas BA2 Plus Calculator Introduction. We'll be walking you through some helpful tips on how to use your calculator faster, smarter, better to solve questions on the exam day and save time. Let's begin with the CFA Exam Calculator Policy. There are only two permissible calculator models for use on the exam day. The first is the Texas Instruments. It has two versions, the BA2 Plus and the BA2 Plus Professional. The second is the Hewlett-Packard, which comes in a variety of versions such as the HP12C Original, the HP12C Platinum, the 25th Anniversary Edition, the 30th Anniversary Edition, and the HP12C Prestige. Please remember, no other calculator will be permitted into the exam room. Possession or use of an unauthorized calculator can result in your exam results being voided. You are, however, permitted to carry other items into the exam room, such as your calculator cover, loose batteries, and a small screwdriver in case you need to change the battery of your calculator inside the exam room. You will not be allowed to carry your calculator user guide or any other instruction manual that comes with the calculator. You will not be allowed to borrow a calculator from the testing center, and you won't be allowed to borrow or share a calculator with a friend. Your calculator will be inspected prior to the exam, and after the inspection, you may be asked to clear the memory of your calculator. For further detailed information on the calculator policy, you're encouraged to visit the CFA Institute website with the details mentioned on the screen.